Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting SVG vector files into PDF. So you can see on my computer I have a SVG file. I can open it by default on Windows into Edge. And you can see it has some vector graphics with it. I will be converting this file into PDF with application I will download from my website. To find application, click on search and type SVG. And I need this SVG convert, and I will click on SVG to PDF and click on download to download archive on my computer. I'll be recording more videos. I will leave a link on the site into the description. I will be recording more videos on SVG converters. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer SVG to PDF and I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close everything and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps processing. Step 1, we'll have to select SVG files we would like to convert into PDF. I can select many files, let's select another one, and they all will be placed into one PDF. After all files selected in order I want them to be in PDF, I'll click on next step. There are no conversion options here, I click next step. And on final step, I'll click Run to create PDF. That's in asking me for name and location of the file. SVG to PDF is a good name for the file. I can change it if I want to, but I'll click just Save. And you can see it's adding to SVG file and creating PDF. Let's go and open PDF. I'll double click on it to open. And you can see it contains 2 pages with first image of from my SVG and second image from first vector file and from second vector file into PDF document. So no PDF reader or any Adobe products is required to create this, to convert SVG to PDF. Basically that's it. I can also do command line conversion. If I have multiple SVG files in a folder, I can convert them all into PDF, or I can convert one file to PDF and do it automatically. If I want to have some kind of jobs that converts it all the time, I can do it. This application supports command lines. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.